What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Thanks again for tuning in. Been quite a while since I've came on and done a little trade recap video, but end of the day, trading here pretty early. Market just wasn't moving the way I wanted it to move. Things just didn't seem all that great. So I ended up making one trade on the day, calling it a day with a $600 green day. So the one trade we made was on INGN today. So stock gaps down on earnings, fades out from, a total of $90.50 all the way down to a low of 62 pre-market. So we're following it initially, and a lot of times with these big gap down stocks, a lot of people look to short them, even myself included sometimes. And when they don't go down, a lot of times they'll have these quick squeezes in the morning. So we're just kind of watching it, following it, so market opens up. It's kind of jumping around, popping up. At first, it's kind of struggling, to get over this level, right? Kind of struggling to get over that. So I'm like, we'll watch it. If it starts looking like it's getting aggressive, buyers are coming in, and it looks like it's going to push over this level, I'll get long. So end up taking it long. I get filled at, first fill was at 500 shares at 66.64. So 66.64, which is just over this kind of little hump here. So we kind of rode up. I end up getting filled right at this red dotted line. What is it? 66.64, which was like right about there. So a little bit higher than what I wanted to. No big deal. So I get filled right about there. It instantly pops up to 67 and actually hits a high of 68.22. I went to get out at the top of this candle and just kind of moves. Candle gets sucked down real fast. Ended up closing out those shares at 67.03, so that puts it like right here. So really pretty small move on those 400 shares. Right, so I got in there and got out there, tried to get filled to the top of this candle, ended up taking off 400 shares there. So I was up $400, wanted to take 400 out of the 500 off, get sucked down here. Is what it is, not going to complain. All right, and then I leave 100 shares on, and the 100 shares rips from 60, from where I exited here, 66 or 67.08 all the way up to 70.91. So long story short, we get in 500 shares at 66.64. We take off 400 shares at 67.03. So we make about close to a 35, 40-cent gain on the 400 shares. And then it pops all the way up. Last 100 shares get out at $70.91. So in total, from entry to exit, it was about a 5-point trade altogether from when I got out to, when I got into when I got out. So $600 trade, only trade made for the day. Nonetheless, happy with it. Not every day you're going to get the trade multiple times, nor that you should. If the market isn't speaking to you the way that you want it to, sometimes it's best just to take the day off and call it early, and that's exactly what we did. So just closing out the day with a $600 day, can't complain. And that's all we got for you guys. So hopefully you like the video. Hopefully you like the video. Thanks again, as always, for tuning in. If you can, hit the like, share, subscribe button. If you guys want to join into our private service and our trading community, it's a very vast community of a lot of knowledgeable traders. To be quite honest, we probably have some of the best and largest content within our private courses and community out there for the price. So if you're looking to get into trading, haven't done it yet, we might be a good option for you. But do your due diligence, research us. Actually, there's blogs and there's different reviews that have been done on our service. And for the most part, they're pretty much all positive and everybody has some good stuff to say. So anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks as always for tuning in, and I'll see you later.